saw in the title, we're going to be working on a 43cc Blade Z go-kart. And I picked this up, and it's in pretty rough shape. We're for sure going to need a brand new gas tank, carburetor, a brand new chain, a brand new throttle cable, paint, and those are the obvious things I can see. But it looks pretty cool. It looks rolls and moves and turns and everything. It does look like the guy that owned it must have mangled the throttle cable onto the chain, and just it all went bad from there. Anyways, guys, let me show you guys what we're going to be working with so that we could take this whole thing apart and we could start painting it. Let me paint this bad thing. It's going to look dope. Anyhow, guys, hang tight.
transmission for our number 58 Go-Kart Blade Z. It's been a couple days after already, and I already went ahead and finished the video out and everything, but I didn't really do a closeout because it's just been chaos. So guys, just a quick update. I am still waiting on parts for the bike number 56. I haven't received any parts for it, and I said in the previous videos that it's been a little difficult for me to get parts for pit bikes right now, so I was going to lay off the pit bikes, but this pit bike number 56 was the last one I had, which was a parts bike I had laying around. So I've gotten a few parts for it, but I haven't gotten everything. So I'm still waiting on that. However, we are going to be jumping on already on our number 59. Wow, 59, guys. We're going to be jumping on project number 59. That's going to be a mini chopper. Make sure you guys stay tuned to see that video drop. I'm going to be doing it here pretty soon. And on top of that, guys, we already have about enough to get to 65 projects in the garage, guys. So make sure you guys stick around. All of the projects we're going to be working on from here on out are going to be completely different. Something I've not done on the channel yet. So make sure you guys stick around. We're going to go from choppers to pit bikes to trail bikes, back to dirt bikes. So make sure you guys stick around and see all those videos drops, guys. Once again, if you guys haven't done so already, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned to my channel in order to see all these kind of different bikes. And see you later, guys.